Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. MyKTX is installed and you have the rights you need. Open MyKTX Console now. Choose admin mode if you want system-wide package management. Once open, check the top left mode indicator to confirm admin versus user. Make sure the package database finishes loading. This avoids partial updates. You're beginning package control at the console, which is the only way we'll manage installs, updates, and settings in this workflow. Once the console is ready, go to Packages and search for the package name you need. Click Install and watch the status column. After installing, switch to Tasks or use the Actions menu to refresh the file name database and update formats, because TX engines need those refreshed to find new files. If downloads are slow, open Settings and pick a closer repository mirror or add a custom CTAN. Make sure to run check for updates regularly to keep your system consistent. To finish, verify installed packages in the packages list and run a test compile in your editor. Make sure the TX engine finds the files. If something fails, open logs in MyKTX Console to see precise errors and timestamps so you can target the fix. A common tip: if permissions or corrupted installs block progress, switch to admin mode and reinstall the package, then refresh the database and formats. If network errors persist, change the repository mirror and retry the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.